Hi, all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is in English. So, this video is about how are they feeling about you currently, and this is an weekly checking, like what is their feelings now for you, what they think about you, do they really think about you or not. So this is regarding everything about your partner's feeling, your boyfriend, girlfriend, company and partner's feelings. So there are four options over here. One is this heart, beautiful rose quartz heart, and this is your basically this is amethyst crystal, and this is the lapis lazuli star, crystal star, and this is the pyramid. So pyramid, star, crystal and heart. So that is all about it. Let's get started. You have 10 seconds with you. This is a timeless video, so that means whenever you are watching this video applicable from that same date. This is for any time zone person, like whether you are in India, whether you are in US or UK or Canada or Australia or New Zealand, whichever the location you are in, Singapore, this is for you. So you have four options. You need to choose one of the option, and you can pause the video for 10 seconds and I'll quickly start your reading. Okay, so here we comes. We will start with heart. I'm keeping all those crystals over here. We will start with heart and we will go after that one by one. Okay, so we will see those who choose heart, what is their reading. Rose quartz heart. To all archangels, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Metatron, Archangel Sandalphon, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel. So start with, we have Five of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, Nine of Pentacles and the Star, and Temperance, Seven of Wands. So I feel with Temperance card and Star card and Nine of Pentacles card, they have this deep connection, deep feelings for you. But at the same time, there were so many conflicts going on between you two. So probably they are not able to take proper decision about you, whether to come back to you or not. This is definitely a separation time, but there would be a new beginning soon. This person can be little bit of manipulative, or they sometimes say lies to you, so that is, there could be a possibilities of that. If you want to experience a deeper level of love in your relationship, you must both consciously and willingly surrender to one another. Feel and honor and sacred within each other. Be valuable and give yourself up to love each and every moment. In doing so, you will unite in love. You will feel alive, reborn with each breath. One loving thought can create world to infinite love. I feel like this person doesn't want to communicate with you because of that conflicts which has happened between you two, and you are both are kind of struggling in this relationship. So here they are saying that you need to surrender each other. You need to surrender each other to respect, to come with each other and be with each other and give yourself to the love. So that is why they are saying like that, because this person is somehow, they are not willing to give themselves to you. Somehow they are scared that they will come back to you, means you will again, there would be some conflicts, there would be some fighting. So that is what they think. This person is quite immature. They still have some growing to do. Blessings on the children, blessings of the earth. Definitely there are earth energy, blessings on venture. So, and this is a blessings on your love. Okay, so there is like, there are these earth energies, Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn energies, and I'm seeing that definitely there are these Aries, Leo and Saggy energies. Sagittarians are quite a lot here, and then Aquarius and Libra energy. And somehow this card says that he or she will return to you, but definitely this point of time they are not into you, because they are thinking that you are kind of a person, definitely you are kind of a person immature, and you are always fighting with them or something like that. But it is exactly opposite, vice versa. They are the immature people and they are actually fighting with you all the time, but there would be definitely a new beginning. So respect to universe. Universe want to say that you need to conscience, with your consciousness and with your willingness, you have to surrender to each other. So, and you have to honor each other's feelings, you have to honor each other, you have to give respect to each other. Indeed, this fighting, whenever these conflicts happen, it always be like this, that you end up using some slang for them, they end up using some slang for you. So these things doesn't work out like that. But they are quite immature, though they sometimes manipulate you, and you think why they are manipulating you, and you always this relationship ends with the fighting. These major conflicts happen, and then you both stop talking with each other. But yes, this person is definitely immature and definitely a manipulative person, but they need to grow. But the respect to make them grow. You cannot fight with them, you just have to be calm and patience with them, and let them speak and let them do whatever, but you have to be calm, patience, and you just don't have to fight with them. Play with a child. Children are your greatest teachers. So basically he is kind of a childlike person, so it is like you are playing with a child. So I have this feeling that your partner is kind of having this age difference with you. Like probably you are your age is, I'm giving an example, if you are 30, then they are probably 25 or 26. So there are chances like that, and you can definitely teach them. So this card says that you can definitely teach them, but you are somehow not teaching them. Indeed, you are fighting with them because you love them, but you are a good teacher, so you can definitely teach them. There are lots of confusion in your relationship. Lots of ups and down is happening now. You guys are having this middle length hair, like up to shoulder or little below to the shoulder. You guys have very good jawline. I am seeing that you guys, those who are my viewers, you guys having very good jawline. Some of you guys are having very good jawline. You love to be with your pet, whether it is dog, cat, or whichever the pet you have, you are taken care of, like duck or whatever, where you like to always be with the pets. You are someone who is running your restaurant, or you are in food business or FMCG business. FMCG is like food, drink, all those business, or you are running your cooking channel, something like that. And some of you guys are in banking sector. Some of you guys are in nursery, or nursery of plants, or doing something related with agriculture. Some of you guys are doing something related with beauty salon, or you have your own beauty parlor, salon, or something like that, or you are a stylish styler or something like that. Or you are doing some courses related with that. Some of you guys are also preparing for government competitive exam, or you are working for government service or public service or communication field. Sometimes they are kind of out of control, your partner. They think that they want to come back to you, they cannot control their emotion towards you, but they just hide behind the mask. Five of atoms. So probably they will come back within the month of September, October, starting from August 10th to October 20th, something like this. You kind of behaving very mature with them, but at the end you also fight with them, so that's not good, like, because they are very immature, and you have to take care of them like the way a children, a teacher take care of a child when they go to the play schools. Like those children who goes to the play schools, how their teacher take care of them, like the way you have to take care of them. Play, keep dancing. So this card says that probably someone likes dancing, probably your partner or somebody, but once they come back, if you will behave mature, you will behave in a mature way, more mature way, because I'm seeing that you are already behaving in a mature way. So if you will behave more mature, so probably you will end up dancing like this with him or her. So they would definitely come back in between August, September, October, but because this is a timeless video, so the particular time you are watching, it's just like 1 or 2 months, next 2 months, 3 months they will come back to you, but definitely they won't surrender to you. So what you have to do, like, you just have to focus on their maturity level, and you have to stop fighting with them. Respect to small things. You just have to understand them, make them understand like a child. How those primary school teachers are behaving with the child, in the same way you have to behave with them, because their maturity level not up to the mark, like they need to have some growing. Creativity. So you guys are probably from creative field, so you also can be, there could be this message like, in love you have to behave a little creative way. So you do something where, like, gifting your partner a small gifts, probably that will make them happy. The distorted feminine. Here you also have this, your energy is going low, heart chakra and solar plexus chakra are kind of damaged, imbalanced, so your energy is also going very low. And I would say that you are currently wearing some blue colored dress and or purple colored dress this particular time when you are watching this video, or black and black pink combination, or black and or gray yellow combination, something like this. I'm seeing few people over here. Some of you guys loves flower, and your favorite flower would be lily or rose, like white color flower or red color flower. So that is your favorite flowers. you like chocolates, varieties of chocolates. Sometimes you drink and you love to go to parties. So that is what I'm seeing. And some of you guys love to go to parties, like whether it is a small party or birthday party, doesn't matter, but you love to go to parties. Your power in this connection is so strong that you can actually make them understand that what is your worth, but you need to actually act mature. If you act mature, then these things will work out. Let's see what is your suggestion card. Your names first or last letter, or your partner's names first or last letter could be A, M, K, D, I, G, C, and S, V, Y, and U. And E also, it's coming in front of my eyes, and P. And definitely I'm seeing that your date of birth, or his or her date of birth, could be 2, 11, 20, and 29. And some of you guys are like 1, 10, 28, or 19. So that is, and 8, 17, and 26, and 5, 23, and 14. So that could be your date of birth, or your partners or companions, or companion, or your boyfriend, girlfriend's date of birth. Let's see what is the advice card for you. This could be the one. So probably they are the one for you. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. So probably they are the one for you. So this card says that they are the one for you. So that is all about this reading, guys. They are the one for you. Just behave in a mature way, so they will come back to you, and you both can have that connection. We will focus into the next pile now. We will go for next pile, which is amethyst. Now for those who choose this amethyst crystal, let's see. We need a crystal over here, a heart. Let's see. So here is the 3 of Cups. And the Queen of Wands. And the Star. And King of Wands. The Fool. And Ace of Wands. There is definitely a third party in this connection. but you still have a hope. You guys can start like there would be a new beginning between you two. That third person is like whosoever they're dating or seeing now, they will go away for within few months or few days or few weeks. Set boundaries, protect your precious time and energy. Definitely, you are one who is thinking a lot and the other person is enjoying. So here it says that set a boundary, because the other person kind of enjoying and you are thinking too much about them. You are kind of, why these things is happening and why I am going through this such a bad time or something like that. I are thinking so much and they are kind of, with another person. So they are, it says like universe is saying that save your time and energy. Ask for guidance, the divine will meet your every need. Ask for guidance and divine will. So I would say that give each other some space for a moment, because this card says that you are kind of wasting your time and energy too much, and ask for guidance, the divine will meet your every need. So divine has their own time, that particular time you and they would be come together. So I would say that give each other some time. Okay, so let's see some more. Let's see and go for some more cards. Inspiration. You are kind of inspiration for them, and clarity. There is no clarity in this relationship. The clarity is like less. They, whatever they think, whatever you think, nobody is clear about their thoughts. So that is also another problem here. But you are quite gentle towards them, so your gentleness is kind of overpowering them, and they really like that. 10 of Winters. So probably if there is something like this third person is there and you are not talking to them for in like quite often, so I see that by winter, like probably month of November, December, January, February, especially December, January, February, this person will return to you and this third person will go away. I'm seeing you are very passionate and also loving towards them. So probably the passion is very strong in your connection. Celebrate you. You guys are, I'm feeling somewhere like you guys do lots of social work, or you are a social worker or something like that, or you are from communication field like HR, admin, business development, and many other communication field work you do, HR, admin, business development, and something like teacher, professor, doctor, nurses, and some front desk, help desk, receptionist, or probably a government job. You do something related with communication. You probably guys are doing something related with communication. You can be a software IT engineer, software hardware engineer, or automobile engineer, mechanical engineer, any kind of engineer too. Or some of you guys are from creative field or doing your own business. You need to actually heal up. You need to heal up, because I'm seeing that there were so many issues in this relationship, so you need to actually heal up. So which is now kind of very much required in this connection, and they would definitely return to you on month of December, January, February. But I will still take some card and see what is happening now, what is their current feelings for you. guys, they don't care about you. Phoenix rising, so I really don't think they care much about you. So I'm seeing that they don't care much. So this is something like Phoenix rising. So definitely you need to rise up, you need to actually go to the different spiritual level, and respect to that you need to avoid this situation and have to take back steps for some days, because they are now totally into this third party, and I don't see anywhere near that they are thinking about you. They probably think about you after a couple of weeks when this relationship would be over, but at present, if I look at the situation, they are not at all thinking about you. So you need to pause over here, set your boundaries. Don't waste time just thinking about them. If you can, you just heal up yourself, or heal up your heart chakra and root chakra, and heal yourself, and just focus on the spirituality. Automatically when this winter season will come, they will be coming back to you, because this is this reading is kind of, this is a timeless video. So I would say that the particular time you are watching from that time to exactly 6 months or 5 months later, this person will return to you, because the third person situation, this third party situation would be over, and they would definitely come back to you. So that is what the situation is. I am thinking that you guys are like sun moon rising. You guys are Aries, Leo, Saggy, and Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces energy, and Aquarius energy. And date of birth would be number 6, 24, and 15, and number 1, 10, 19, and 28, and definitely number 3, 30, 21, and 12. So that could be your or your partner's date of birth. Name first, your last letter could be Y, T, R, B, A, E, C, N, M, S, and do not lose your soul respect to getting this person back. I'm getting some messages from spirit. So you are kind of losing your soul, losing yourself just to get back to them. Don't do that. They would definitely return to you, but just you need to hold up yourself. So that is really something nonsense you are doing, I would say. Sorry for this, but you are really doing something nonsense about it. And we will go to the advice card straight. We'll see that what is your advice card. Consider your foundation. Look how committed you are to love, and rest and relaxation is essential. We all have the fundamental need to take a break. So you need to take a break, and this card says that you are already dedicated towards your love. So let other person get dedicated now. You just have to let go for some times. You have to step back for some times. This person will return to you, but they are, even probably there would be an engagement which will take place, but presently you have to at present you just have to relax and rest, because this you need to take a break from this, like this relationship, because this person is not going to come back sooner. They would come back in near future. They will come back only in in far future. So till then you just have to set your boundaries. Don't waste your time and energy behind this person. Rest and relax and do your need and fulfill your need. Whatever the things are required for yourself to pamper yourself, you have to do that. And of course you just have to need to have a clarity in your mind that okay, this person will come back, but by the time I have to heal up myself. So that is very much required. So here the reading ends. Those who choose amethyst crystal, for them. Now we will go to the pyramid. Those who choose pyramid, we will see what a reading are there waiting for them. Okay, so we will start with this pyramid now. We will see what is your reading, those who choose pyramid. Let's see how is your person feeling about you now. Listen to your wish self, let your inner compass direct the course of your life. Care for your body, self-love and self-acceptance are the ultimate acts of self-care. Five of Cups, and this is World, and Two of Wands, and King of Wands, Nine of Swords, and this is Hermit card, and this is Fool card. So definitely these are the work focused person. They would like to talk to you, but they don't speak with you because they feel that work is first priority for them. So they are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn's energy. Definitely a work focused person we are talking about, and they feel a lot about you. There are a lot going on in their mind. They feel good about you, but they don't express that feelings. Have you been using food to numb rather than nourish? Be honest. If so, break that pattern today. Show yourselves that you care by choosing healthy, wholesome foods made with love. Eat your veggies, make a green juice, and toast to your longevity. Cheers. So this card says that somehow you are ignoring yourself, ignoring your health, which is actually not good. So universe is saying that take care of yourself. So that is one thing. And commitment cards. Okay, so they would definitely give you commitment. At present they are focused on work, and they cannot balance between you and work and their financial growth. Something they are focused on their financial growth if they do business, so they cannot balance in between. So they just they are taking a leap, and once they will come back, they will definitely, there would be this marriage or some engagement would take place. The gardener, you are like gardener for them. You are kind of you boost their energy up, so you are kind of a gardener for them. I would say that some of you guys love to read books. Some of you guys love love to read books, and you guys are also, or probably you are a writer or something like that, and you guys are also someone who like to travel a lot. Compatibility, you both have immense major major compatibility, kind of you have that chemistry in between, so you both cannot be separated. You both are someone like made for each other. So probably this, we are talking about a twin flame connection or something like that. So but they are coming back to you, but slowly and gradually. I don't see that they will come back to you very fast. Their movement is kind of very slow because they are currently focused on work. Workaholic person. Salamander, outdoors, creative work, infinite wisdom and alchemy. So drawing down the sun, wildfire, divine masculine, magnificence and witness. Yeah, he is your divine masculine, or she is your masculine. She has this masculine energy, and you have this feminine energy, divine energy. So even though you are a man and watching this video, so the other person has this masculine energy. They are kind of you are kind of after them, and you have this feminine energy. Raising winds, magical release, calling intention and stronghold. So definitely I would say that someone, we are talking about those who are like will make you go around them a lot, so you have to actually all after them for getting done. This commitment things will come only when you have to follow them, or you have to be with them, and you have to understand a lot. They would not understand you that much. Open your heart. So somehow your heart chakra is also blocked. Be patient. You have to be very patient. That's what I was telling you, that you have to get them back or in your life and make them give you commitment. You have to wait a lot. You have to be very patient, understand them. You have to take steps forward. Indeed, they will stay, they would not be taking step forward. Share your gifts. So kind of, this is kind of a lesson to you, like, universe is teaching to you something, because probably there would be some karmic issues going on, probably your past life karma or something. So universe is kind of teaching you that, see, this is the way one should, have patience, and you should have open your heart, keep your heart open for all the time, and be alone, and still you cannot feel that you are alone and lonely. Probably you have done something in past, in this birth or past life, that you have to bear these things, and slowly, gradually they will return to you. But what I can say, that this connection and this commitment things, this commitment card, I just want to know, when is this commitment is going to happen? Like, I want to know about this commitment card, universe, when they will give commitment. Four of Winters. So guys, it is not going to happen sooner or later. I think by the time they will come back to you, it would be like another 2 years. Like, they probably talk to you in between, but they will again leave you. There would be separation, going, coming, on and off. It would be like this for a long time. And probably on 2023, because I am doing this reading on 2021. So if you see this reading, if you are seeing this reading on 2022 or 23, you have to count another 2 to 3 years. So probably from now to 2023 December, January, February would be the time. Like 2023 December and 2024 January, February would be the time when they will give you commitment. So this is for commitment, not returning back. How do they feel about you? They feel a lot about you, lot of things going on in their mind, but they would not say anything, because their focus is on their career at present. They just want to focus on their career. They don't want to think about you. Some of you guys are like, doing some work related scientist or research, or some knowledge sharing work. You can be a trainer, you can be a teacher, professor, lecturer, or you would be doing something related with legal matter, like judicial judge, police, army, or you are a barrister or advocate or legal person, or some administrative officer, something like this. You work something like this, and or you could be an engineer, but not IT, non-IT engineer. So you are already sad, you are waiting for this person, and universe is saying that you have to keep your heart open for this person, and just wait. You have to keep your heart open and just wait. So that is what universe message is about. We will go for advice card over here, because there is nothing much to see. Only thing is like left is what could be their date of birth and your date of birth. It could be 9, 18 or 27, and 6, 24 and 15, and then 4, 22, 31 and 13, and number 5, 23 and 14, and number 3, 30, 21 and 12. The name first or last letter of the name could be R, N, E, P, T, B, H, E, O, N, V. So that could be your or your partner's date of birth. We will quickly see the suggestion card, what suggestion or advice card is coming for you. You guys have lot to do, like lot to healing up, healing work is left, lot of things you have to spiritually grow. He has to spiritually grow, or she has to spiritually grow. So there are so many things. Linking with spirit, first card is linking with spirit. So the first and most important step when you are connecting and communicating with spirit is to create a solid and clear link. Only when the link process of authentication and validation begins. To practice linking, it's important to first become aware of how you sense the spirit world. For some, it's quickening, a sense of inner knowing, or so even seeing energy. Each and every medium works in their own unique way, and no matter how you sense spirit, just trust is the right way for you. So linking with spirit, it's your own spirit, okay? So it's not the other spirit, your own spirit, which is there in your body. So body, soul and spirit. So you have to link your spirit, means you have to actually go for meditation and healing. And this one is creative expression. Creativity is not only a way of expressing your personality and spirit to the outside world, it is also a great way of disconnecting your analytical mind, so you are reconnect with the creative, expressive and intuitive side of your brain. As children, we started our lives by freely using more creative right side of your brain. As we got older, as a result of schooling and societal conditioning, there was a tendency to pull away from our right side and rely more on the intellectual left side of your brain. Intuition floats of the age of, okay, so this is a kind of things is like creative expression is like you, when the person start thinking intellectually and their brain connects with the spirit. So this is a big talk. If I would like to talk about this card definitely, but if you'll start talking about this card, I can actually spend entire my day. So there is a connection, there is a point, a conjunction point where here is the brain, okay? Suppose this is the brain and this is the spirit. So brain and spirit works together. So you have that kind of power. You just have to arise that power, because you are already in twin flame journey, I'm telling you, or probably a spiritual journey or higher self journey with this person. So when you do that, so your spirit has this control over your mind, and when they have control over your mind, whatever you want in your mind, you can actually do that in your life, and you can make other person do that. So that is a very high level spirituality. When that's kind of, I would say that that's kind of a prophecy. When a person grow in such a level of spirituality, they prophesy about others and things would happen. Guys, I'm seeing couple of people over here, like someone is wearing a orange color t-shirt or orange color pant, someone is wearing a sea blue or sea green color pant or t-shirt or shirt or top or dress. You are eating at present, you are probably having fruits, and it could be like pomegranate, or it could be apple, or it could be veggies, something color of red and yellow. It's coming here, either the red color fruit or the yellow color fruit. I'm seeing that you guys have this jewelry business on, or you are focused into the artificial jewelry business, something like this. And also you have this crystal business. So you probably guys are from this spiritual world, or you are doing something related with that. I am also seeing some ruby and yellow sapphire over here. So yellow sapphire and ruby is working in your life. So I would say root chakra and solar plexus chakra you need to focus on. Also, I'm seeing that some of you guys has this real problem with Mercury. I don't know why I'm getting this Mercury energy, so the communication is not there, probably the separation is going on, but this person always think about you. They are thinking about you, they feel for you. There is no third person over here, but the same time they need some time. They would not give you commitment before 2023. I told you the winter season, like December, January and February, and when they will come back to you and speak with you, that would be start speaking with you, that would be like end of 2021 or starting of 2022. So this two cards says that you have to do lots of inner work, meditation, healing. So you have to do all those things, you have to fulfill, complete those things, you have to grow spiritually, and you have to know your own energy, own capabilities, own talent, and after that this person will definitely return to you. So here the reading ends, and then I will quickly move to the last but not the least. Okay, so the last but not the least is the Star. Okay, so let's see what those who choose Star, what is their reading. First is like King of Pentacles coming out, and Page of Pentacles, and the Sun card, and Four of Swords card, Eight of Cups card, and the Wheel, and Nine of Swords, and Three of Pentacles. They really do feel for you, but there are some health issues, there are some financial issues, there are some family issues, lots of things going on there in life, guys. But they really do feel about you. They are somehow little immature too, but they are loyal to you, they are faithful to you. But here I'm seeing some of the black magic or the dark world energy is there. So the black magic and the dark world energy is somehow taking them away from you. How it is working, like some spell, somebody has done some spell on them, or some voodoo or something has been done on them, or some witchcraft or black magic or dark world energy is there. So this negative energy is kind of taking them away from you. They are much focused on their career and finance prospect, because I'm seeing they are going through a financial loss. Probably the job place, or they lost their job, or probably they are not, their business is not running well. So something is happening. If you ask me how do they feel, they have true love for you. They are actually loyal and trustworthy for you. They are true love, but somehow things are not working out with them. They are somehow, you know, stuck somewhere, like in financial issues or family issues, or especially in the financial side I'm seeing. So they cannot come out of that, and they're thinking how to come out of that and how to focus on you. Let your friends help you. and new love, a new person has stirred your romantic feelings. A new love also will come to you. So if you want to check out those person, you can, or you can wait for this person. Healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay, so basically you are not good with your parents sometimes back, so probably you shouted on them, or something is there between you and your parents, some relationship issues, and that is also that is kind of karma, and that karma is actually stopping you to get back to them. Like this person, even they want to come back to you, somehow this karma things working on, somehow their black magic, they have this black magic on, so things are not working out well here because of this karma. Probably you told your parents something, they cursed you, or they felt bad about that, and because of that your karma, somehow you have generated some karma. Because of that this person is not coming back to you. And the same time I'm seeing that even they have some this negative energy, black magic or spell, somebody has done some spell on them, and that's why they are, even they want to come back to you, they are going through a bad situation, a bad phase, they cannot come back to you, but they really feel about you. Let's see what their thoughts. Through the power of love, all shall unfold in the most perfect way for all concerned. This card is a blessings from an angel who is here to reassure you that all is well. There is no need to worry. All is bathed in a sea of divine love. So you both are like divine love. Again, I am feeling that this could be a twin flame connection, a spiritual level connection, or a higher self connection. And you have this divine love on whatever the problem or whatever the obstacles are, it will go away, and sooner or later you would be together. Your intuition constantly senses the voice of spirit and conveys this through emotion and feeling. Spirit's great love and wisdom continuously flows through you like a stream of soft diamond light. Stop for a moment and feel this beautiful flow of energy. Allow it to permeate every part of you. You and spirit are one, and entwined by invisible threads of love. Okay, so you have this intuition level power, so you could be a tarot reader, astrologer, or you would be writing books about them, or something related with these spiritual books, or something like that. You are doing something related with spirituality, healer, or whatever you work and do the work, it's related with spirituality. You have this intuition power, you can sense what is happening, but you can learn from the voice of spirit. But see, for this moment their energy is kind of stuck, and you have also done some karma. Like even though you're a spiritual person, whatever it is, you had this fight on with your parents, and you really hurt them. So what you need to go for, what you need to do, you need to go and ask for forgiveness from your parents first, and then you need to actually focus on your energy. Like you have to level up your energy, so do something like chakra balancing, chakra aura cleansing. If you can do yourself, then it is fine. Otherwise, I put this aura cleansing and chakra balancing video on my channel. You can do that also. And you have to actually be with you have to ask forgiveness from your parents, and you just have to level up your energy. This person would definitely return to you. I would say that it would take some time, but whatever, because lots of things going on in their life. Their health is, they are not okay, health wise they are not okay. If you talk about their financial growth, their financial growth has stopped somewhere, and they are not okay. Definitely there is some issues going on. They probably have some loan, huge loan going on, or something like that. And the third thing is like they also have this family issues. Their family probably orthodox or narrow-minded, or whatever it is, they don't like you, something like that is going on. So these three things are working against you, but I would say that definitely he is loyal and trustworthy towards you, and he will return to you. So there is no way that he would not return to you. At the same time, universe is giving you another option, like you can go for another person. Universe is giving it to you, so you can go for them, or you can wait for them. When they will come back, return to you, let's see, because I'm seeing that probably there is separation time going on now. when they will return to you. Four of Spring, so probably they will be returning on month of March, April, May next year. So that would be the time they will yeah, March, April and May. So that would be the time they will be returning to you, and there would be definitely a commitment, or you both probably marry with each other, or they will start living with you, or they will get engaged. This will happen only after some times, but this would happen because there is a Sun card. And we will see some more cards. We will take that, what's going on, what is their feelings now. Fulfillment of wishes, firm foundation and achievement. See, their feelings for rest and rejuvenate, their feelings for you is kind of their withdrawal. They withdrawal, like they actually take away, they went away, or they let go you, because they think that this connection probably doesn't have any future, and they are stuck into many things, and by the time they will overcome these things, you probably move on. So they have this thought in their mind, so they just they are they don't feel much about you, they just let go you. But I would say that definitely they will, even though they let go you, they will reconnect with you on month of March, April, February, March, April, May. So this is the time when they will reconnect with you, and you will get commitment from them. But you have to, you know, just make them understand that even though they are going through a bad phase of life, you are the one to support them, you are there with them, and you are kind of empathic towards them. So these things you have to make them understand, and they are definitely loyal to you. There is no third person involved in this connection, but they will come back to you. So that is all about this reading. Let's not go to very deeper level, because there is nothing to discuss about it. Like they want, like they want financial security. Once they are financially secure, they will return to you, but at present they are not financially secure, so they don't think that they have to come back to you, or they want to come back to you. So that's what their feeling is about. I would definitely go for an advice card for you guys. Before that, you guys are in Sun, Moon, Rising, Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn's energy, and Leo, Aries energy, and Libra, Aquarius and Gemini energy. So that's all your energy, and we will go for an advice card. And your name, first or last letter would be ILSURTENAKJ. Why? While there is a time and place for self-improvement, today's focus is on everything that's already great about you. Let go of who you think you should be and fall madly in love with who you are in the moment. When you accept yourself exactly as you are, you shifted from living for tomorrow to appreciating today. Accept yourself, sweetheart. So yes, you will fail, you will rise, you will fail, you will rise. This card says let go this person. Actually, universe is saying that let go, and let this new love enter in your life. So that means somehow this person is in deep trouble, and they probably, very less chances are there that they come back. But where I am seeing through the cards that they will definitely connect you back, but it will take lots of time. So that is why probably universe is telling that if you learn from universe, or you want to focus on universe message, they are asking you to let go this person. And this card has come in the beginning, like new love is coming back. I would also take some more suggestion. So So probably it is better that you let go them, because there are lots of things going on and probably you don't have that much time to wait for them. Flirt, extend your light and energy to the others. So the universe somehow saying that you flirt, you date or go for someone else. They are into deep shit kind of things, like probably to come out of those things it will take a long time, and universe is sending you a new love. So probably there, this card says that let go who you think you should be and fall madly in love with who you are in this moment. So let go them, and let go your inner power also, like where you think that, oh, I am in madly deeply love with this person is for me. So that feelings you have to let go. So that is all universe is saying. And that is your advice card. Thank you guys for watching my video. Let me know if you want more and more English video. I can upload it, but I just don't do that because maximum people they request for Hindi video. If you will request for English video, I will try to do that as well. Thank you. Have a blessed day and God bless you.